Lion Pride Christmas fruit cake. Meet me in the kitchen, I'll show you what to do. I'm going to start off by adding all of my fruits together. I will then go ahead and add some of Lion Pride white overproof rum. And of course, I'm going to add some of that amazing fruit wine. Add it to my pot, then I'm going to steam it. And then I'm going to go ahead and just allow it to cool down. And of course, I'm going to blend it until it is smooth. Add some sugar to my bowl. And of course, I'm going to add some butter. Cream it nicely. And of course, I'm going to start by adding my eggs. And please be sure to remove the eye from the eggs. The eye is that white attachment to the yolk. And of course, you can add a little bit of lime juice just to cut out that rawness. I will then go ahead and work on the dry ingredients. Preheat my oven at 250 degrees. And this is going to take me roughly about an hour to bake. I will then go ahead and add the blended fruits. And of course, I'm going to add the browning. And please be sure not to add too much browning. Once I add the dry ingredients, I'm going to add some of Lion Pride white overproof rum. And of course, I'm going to add some more of that fruit wine. Mix it up well. Then I'm going to add the mixture to my baking pan. Pop it in the oven. And this is what it looks like once it's finished baking. I will add some of Lion Pride white overproof rum. And of course, I'm going to add some fruit wine on top once it is hot. And of course, I'm going to allow it to cool down nicely. Slice into it and you have the most amazing Christmas cake for you and your family. Now that I make it, I want you guys to go ahead and give it a try. And don't forget to grab your Lion Pride white overproof rum this Christmas.